Here I have BLACKVIEW BV6600, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the sound section, and then go to the phone ringtone. Here you can see the whole list of the available phone ringtones. You can select one of these pre-installed ones. You can add your own ringtone by tapping Add Ringtone. Select any MP3 file from your phone's memory and set it as your ringtone. But I'm just going to select one of these pre-installed ones. Let's listen to some of them. Oh, my favorite one. I'll stay with this one definitely. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.